up onto the passenger side rear part of the engine block, and we're going to go ahead and disconnect this connector right here. By doing so, we have to release the lock tab. I'm going to use a pick, get up underneath and pry that up a little bit. Once it's up so far, we're going to now go ahead and press on this back of the tab. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to go ahead and remove this bolt. And once that bolt is loose, we're just going to go ahead and remove that. Then we're going to go ahead and take a flathead screwdriver and just try and get it up in here. And then just pry it on the base of it, right on the ear where the bolt was holding it, just to break it free. Now we can go ahead and twist this and work it out. Before installation of this part, there is a rubber O-ring on there. We're going to use a little bit of oil around the O-ring before installation. Take the new sensor, line it up in the block. Once that's lined up, you can take the bolt, pop that back in, and get that started by hand. We're going to go ahead and snug this up. Now this unit has a metal sleeve where the bolt goes through it. So we're just going to go ahead and snug this up. Now we're going to go ahead and take the connector, get that connector line back up with the new component. Push it on and then bring your lock tab down, and that's it.